Viewers, welcome to Tech Travelers Hub. Today I am going to show you my MI Band 4 which I bought in the year 2019 July, manufactured date July, so maybe later 1 or 2 months later. From 2019 it is perfectly okay till now. Now it is 2024 June. This is the box, Band 4, battery, messages, night sleep mode and other things. All are Chinese languages, and that's why 250 mAh max. Okay, maybe 2018 01 2018, I don't know what it is. Okay, model number XMS H07HM, I think, 5 Bluetooth 5 DC 5 volt. Okay, let's open the box. I have already opened it, I'm using the watch. So this is the inside of the box. This is user manual or quick guide. Okay, this is the watch I am using. I have 3 or 4 smartwatch and 2 or 3 bands. This one of them is MI Band 4. I really like the design, slim, and it feels really good in my hand. This is the back side. This is the display. Heart rate and other things are available. Workout, weather, more. Okay, alarm, music and other things. This is the back button. Here it is back button or display on. I am using the around 5 years. Okay, so still it is okay. Just I have changed the belt. Otherwise everything is as it is. Nowadays I don't connect it with phone, that's why I can't compare the charging capacity from the beginning and right now, but still I got 15 days backup after 100% charging. Okay, viewers, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.